Hello, my earth beings. I speak to you with peace and love in my heart. I also want to dedicate this video to all my subscribers. I thank you so much, and I love you all. I love humanity. I want to show you, the subscribers, my UFO. It's a gift from Mother Creator to myself. This snapshot proves that this recording was synchronized perfectly. A perfect synchronization. You also notice how silent the craft is, as well as the movement of the craft to prove its authenticity. Thank you, Mother. And she allowed me to shoot that video of my UFO so that I can show proof to those people I encounter and speak to on the streets. I pull out my digital camera and show the people my unearthly images while spreading the word or message of love, compassion, and positive energy. I also share with them this planet's best kept secret. Shh, Goddess of the female gender. She's the creator of love and compassion. I am one hybrid human. I also live in 2 dimensions. This is our front. Front of the house. I dedicate this video to you subscribers because you subscribers all have been very perceptive, attentive, and receptive to our message of having inside of you that love, positive energy, and compassion. And as Satan lives within negative energy, when you allow negative energy inside of your heart and mind, you're allowing Satan to reside in you. He can come to your mind as just a minor, seemingly innocent negative thought. And that negative thought can grow into a full-blown negative action. And that negative action is negative energy. And when your vessel, your flesh and energized blood body is exporting your negative energy out there in the atmosphere and out there in the universe, that energy runs its course, but eventually returns home from where it came. That means that negative energy is coming at you at some point in time. And sometimes that negative energy can accumulate before it returns back home. So when that negative energy hits you, it has the potential to deliver a devastating blow. Just like a boomerang, the negative energy you release will always return to its home. God lives in a positive energy, so think positive and loving thoughts. Love other humans. Love the animals, the plants, the trees, the insects. And most importantly, love Mother Earth. Love in the face of hate. When you live within positive energy and pray to God, your prayers are heard and being worked on and worked out because you live within an energy level compatible with the energy level of God. If you're thinking negative thoughts and committing negative actions, the only super being that can hear your prayers is the one who lives within negative energy. Satan, the devil. The one who manipulates those who live within the negative energy field that he has created and he controls. And all the knowledge I possess has been provided to me personally by Mother Creator, also known as God. These lights you are seeing are not manufactured on planet Earth. However, the sound you are hearing is familiar. It sounds like an airplane, and if it had been daylight, your eyes would convince you that you're seeing an airplane. They blend into and shapeshift into objects that humans identify with and see on a daily basis. It's a whole lot of shit out there you guys have no idea even exists. The negative alien beings, the secret societies, and secret governments have humanity as corporate slaves. And you don't ever educate your slaves. So that's why they keep the knowledge, true reality, to themselves. They keep you divided by race, religion, politics, immigration, gay marriage, abortion, etc., etc. And you slaves get so involved with your personal hatred that you never notice that every 30 days you're paying a real estate corporation or a mortgage payment. You're paying the insurance corporations every 30 days. You pay the corporations for your electricity and your transportation, your cell phone, your landline, for your communication, your clothes, your tuition, for your so-called education. You pay for water, food, and health care, for life-saving medication. So you're forced into a job making profits for corporations. Like I previously stated, Earth's human population are corporate slaves. Also, I'd like to announce to my subscribers that I have 5 upcoming videos of some very amazing footage. So look for that between the 1st and 2nd week of next month. Once again, thank you for subscribing. In this video of my hybrid human spacecraft from my private stock of home videos should be proof of my appreciation. Thank you all for viewing, and may Mother Creator send blessings your way.
Mother Creator
Peace.
Productions. 3.
Blinking. Yes, sir. One hybrid human. One hybrid human. See that? It's up in the clouds. It's up in the clouds. It's up in the clouds. One hybrid human. Let's go. I am the light. Only way through me. Now, after viewing the videos on my channel showing UFOs, spacecraft, rainbow orbs, fake holographic moons, chemtrails being detoxified, and Satan showing his hate for me by appearing in the clouds in broad daylight, I even have a video of me, the moon, and the UFO in the same frame. If you still refuse to believe Mother Goddess and you're leaving negative comments, then let me just apologize.